The OPPO A7 Pro Max is an upcoming mid-range smartphone that has officially been teased by OPPO, making headlines for packing a massive 10,000 mAh battery, the largest ever fitted into an OPPO device. Supports 80W fast wired charging, measuring just 8.47mm thick and weighing 226 grams. The OPPO A7 Pro Max features a slightly raised rectangular camera module on the back, with the camera sensors positioned on the left and an LED flash unit on the right. The power button and volume keys are located on the right edge of the device. The OPPO A7 Pro Max will have a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution. It's powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 5 SoC. It will be paired with up to 12GB of RAM and possibly up to 512GB of storage. There's a 50MP main camera on the rear alongside a 2MP secondary camera of some sort, a 50MP selfie camera. We expect to see more teasers confirming more of its specs in the coming days, so stay tuned for that. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.